Welcome to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University's video lessons in library and information science. The present topic is automated information services. In this session, we are going to discuss about the abstracting and indexing services, institutional repositories, artificial intelligence influence in the library services, one nation, one subscription offered by InfluBnet, and the effect of the social media in the library services. The first is indexing abstracting services are very crucial services to the university and academic and research libraries. Indexing is a tool for locating the documents in a library or retrieving the information from libraries databases. Indexing the documents reduces the effort and the time of the researcher in making the search easier and precise. ICT advancements and library automations activities resulted in the generation of the indexing services. The article indexing function is available in most of the library automation software, that is LibSys, SOL, in library automation of the software. Indexing abstract services are popularly known as AI services, and abstracting services includes normally summary of the article or a document chapter. Two types of indexing and abstracting databases evolved and available in the description. Bibliographical indexes are databases, citation databases. Web of Science, Scopus, ERIC, PubMed, Chemical Abstracts, LISA, EBSCO, Science Direct. In this, they are both running around bibliographic indexes. They are conducting the bibliographic records in an orderly form, and they are the databases and the collection of the records, and also they are providing the citations to the each and every document recorded in that. Access to bibliographic services, and these bibliographic services are very important in the research and academic libraries, advanced academic libraries like university libraries. Online search services provide access, enable users to search through vast number of databases. They provide basically the bibliographic records. If the institution has the access rights to the full text documents, even their full text documents will be shown effective in these documents. If they are not, if the full text is not accessible to the institutions, then they will remain as simply records showing the links, and they will be showing that subscription is wanted for that. So, the best examples are ProQuest from Dialog, OCLC, that is Online Computer Library Center, Ohio, Blaze, British Library Automated Information Service, National Library of Medicine, that is NLM, and which is the index of the medical literature, that is journal articles. It is developed from the Index Medicus of the earlier years. ESA-IRS, that is European Space Agency Information Retrieval. Access to e-resources has become mandatory for the university and research libraries, major libraries, and in libraries various types of e-resources are available to the users either freely or against a fees. These electronic resources can be accessed through devices like computers, tablets, smartphones, etc. They are e-books. These electronic resources are electronic books, electronic journals, online databases in the form, and web pages and PDF documents also. Even photographs, maps, images, videos and manuscripts are now converted into digital form, electronic digital form, and these digital documents are taking place in the library databases, even bibliographical databases, and publishers' commercial databases. Access to e-resources is now a defining form in the university libraries. Now, e-resources are stored in libraries as initially as disks and made available online now. and this electronic digital content is very easy to duplicate and update the information. It is very easy to access at any time from anywhere, and initially they were distributed in CD or DVD forms and then online through internets. And the best free access are Internet Archives, NDLI, and the project Gutenberg, Gestor, ERIC, and they are all distributing the e-resources records, and also wherever possible even the full text records also. Access to online databases is a crucial in the period of digital era in the university and research libraries. These databases are storehouse of electronic and digital resources in large quantities. These are all collection of enormous quantities of e-resources. They include even search facilities, alert services, and constantly they will keep adding, updating with the data or articles. They are instantly accessible to the users across the world, all the days, all the hours, that is 24/7. These most important examples are PubMed, ProQuest, Gestor, Scopus, Web of Science, ERIC, Google Scholar. All these Gestor and these are all providing even full text access to the institutions where they have access facility or access permissions to have the subscription access. In this connection, the InfluBnet is providing lot of the databases, and more than 6,500 institutions are getting benefited in this. R&D institutions, government higher education institutions, and 30 they are benefited by the 30 global publishers, and more than 13,000 full text journals they are offering through. They were earlier offering through UGC Infonet and then later E-Shodh Sindhu Consortium. Now they are all transformed into one nation, one subscription policy, and this is a unified portal to the from the InfluBnet Center, and it is providing access to 18 million students, faculty, and researchers and scientists across various fields, and they are located fields they are to the users located in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. This one nation one subscription is in compliance with the Atmanirbhar and Viksit Bharat 2047 vision. It is the mission of the Government of India to create a global high impact, and they were getting all the high impact resources to the vast number of academicians, researchers in the universities and colleges is its mission. Government of India has approved this kind of project in 2022 and started its operation from January 25 under phase 1 for the 3 years 2025 to 27. InfluBnet Center coordinates this national level subscription and access, and providing the access to the one nation one subscription website. Access to institutional repositories is another innovative way of offering the publications of the institutional publications, that is published by the institutions. Researchers and academicians are publishing their own articles and books. They will be collected and archived as a digital resources by the library or institution, that is called institutional repositories, and these are created by the institution for the digital copies of the intellectual output of the institution. These digital material in institutional repositories include monographs, journal articles, reprints, reports, theses, dissertations, and data sets, images, photos, videos, whatever. So, whatever is produced by the institutional writers, institutional output of the intellectual output of the institution. These repositories are often offered to the public, open to the public, and they are available at free of cost. And even researchers of the institute generally can self archive their material without depending upon some person who is attending this kind of work. These institutional repositories are often placed on the DSpace and ePrints or even Greenstone. They are all open software used for providing this kind of service to them. Librarians design these institutional repositories according to the subject area, that is now the national level or international level archives are there. They are open door archives and international institutional repository of the InfluBNet and a librarians repository of the DRTC, ePrints at IISc, etc. They are the best examples of the institutional repository. Artificial intelligence based library services. Like any other field, artificial intelligence is occupying even library services also. It is affecting for the benefit of the users. AI is basically we can consider it as the ability of the computers to perform the tasks that normally require the human intelligence. AI is, but it is the coordination of the combination of the three subjects, that is computer science, mathematics and cognitive science. They are the multidisciplinary activity. AI uses a set of technologies, that is to perform the advanced functions, that is ability to see, understand and translate the spoken and written language, analyze the data and make the recommendations, and also it will suggest the decisions. This John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence in 1950, and he is known as the father of the AI. AI tools available in the market are ChatGPT, robotics, computer vision, Gemini, etc. These AI tools are used in libraries to automate their routine operations, cataloging, circulation, transactions, shelving, stacking, answering the queries, user orientation, e-resources access and digitization, routine matters and all. Along with artificial intelligence, even social media is affecting the library service. Affecting means this is library science field also is benefiting. Libraries are taking the benefit of the using the social media in their apart from their library website, blogs or bulletin boards they are using, and apps they are using, and this social media they are using to broadcast their resources, their services and new innovations, and attracting the public towards their library services and sharing their information to the public, general public via social media. And these virtual communities through text, photos, videos and many other things are shared freely to the public, and it is used by more than many billion people globally for personal and professional reasons. And the modern libraries are using the social media to communicate and share their information in addition to the website and their bulletin boards or group mailing activities. So, they are using apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube also. The social effect of the social media can be visualized in this slide. Where the customer services are transported to them, and the teaching can be done, and the outreaching can be very easily done by the YouTube by creating the outreach programs through web conferences or meetings. So, these things are really impacting the library services in creating the user orientations, user education programs, etc. library resources and user services. Until late 90s, the primary, secondary as well as tertiary resources, information resources were available to the users only through libraries, and researchers and academicians, students, they were solely depending upon the libraries to provide these resources to them. So, library integrated automation services and advancements in information industry and web technologies and growing publishing activities and the emergence of the networks and hooked services. These resources are made available to the users, combining with the search as well as alert services. See, the position of the library's role is elevated from mere a facilitator to the educators in this aspect, while introducing the library resources and services to their own clientele, and also sharing the services to the other libraries, and also to the broadcasting to the public. Thank you.